So guys, you want to turn off your computer or your laptop from the power button itself. You want to turn it on and off 3 times. So once you turn off your computer and then you turn it back on, once you see the Windows loading screen that I'm showing you right now, you want to turn it back off again from the power button. You want to repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into here. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will then take you into here. Now once you're in here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then you want to click on Advanced Options. So now once you're on this, you want to click on Command Prompt, and then we're going to type in a few commands. So for the first one, it's going to be C:, click on Enter. Now we're going to type in CD space backslash Windows backslash System32 backslash config and click on Enter. Now we're going to type in MD space backup, click on Enter again. Now we're going to type in copy space star space backup, click on Enter. Now we're going to type in CD space regback, click on Enter. Now we're going to type in copy space star, click on Enter. Now we're going to type in A and click on Enter again. Now you're going to type in exit, and now you want to continue on to Windows 10 or Windows 11, and then that should fix the problem.